Okay, thank you. Enjoy Gillingham. Will you start the motors, please? Thanks. 465 152.
Platform 2 for the 12:23 service to Ashford International. Calling at Otford, Kensing, Borough Green, Westmoreland, Eastmoreland, Barming, Maidstone East, Bearsted, Hollingbourne, Harrington, Lenham, Charing and Ashford International. This train is formed of 8 carriages.
That's 377502 and that's 377518. The 12:23 Southeastern service for Ashford International via Maidstone East. The 12:23 service for Ashford International. Next stop will be Otford. Reason why the first class logo's been taken off is some reason. I don't know. So it's Saturday, May the 4th, 2024. So may the 4th be with you, or may the Force be with you. Doing a bit of train spotting in Swanley today. So just got off a networker, which is operating the service for Gillingham. Just see what variety of trains has been going on. And let's see what's been happening. There's quite a lot of things to see, especially like the Belmont Pullman normally runs throughout Kent. Sounds pretty nice. So let's see what else is going to be showing.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 3. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
That is 375705. At the ring. That is bound for London Victoria. It's just running 4 minutes late.
Platform 2 for the 12:36 service to Sevenoaks. Calling at Ainsford, Shoreham, Otford, Baton Bull and Sevenoaks.
700,059. Nice. 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 That is 700,059 for the 12:36 service for Sevenoaks. Footage for the departments. Arrow clear 700,059 for the 12:36. Engine service for Sevenoaks.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 4. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings.
See that? Yep.
Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs, and your belongings.
And 828. Bound for Dover Priory via Faversham. Next to arrive is 700 049. The 1241 service for Blackfriars. Some of the lifts at Catford are out of service. 700 049 for the 1241 to Blackfriars via Catford. Some of the lifts there are out of service. The mechanics. Just 5 minutes on. Sorry about the fly. 5 minutes on, it will be the 1246 for Charing Cross. Here comes the 1246 for Charing Cross from Maidstone. And it's non-stop to London Bridge from here. Quite fast, you know. That is 377505 on a southeastern service for Charing Cross, service from Maidstone East. Used to be start at Blackfriars. And on the rear, it's 377513. Doors closing now. 377505 and 513, heading for London Charing Cross, and it's non-stop from here to London Bridge. But when it used to go to Blackfriars, it stopped at Bromley South and then non-stop from Bromley South to Elephant and Castle. I would love to see South Eastern doing that. And finally, 465168 for the 1248 to London Victoria. Good ride on these networkers there.
Sorry?
Nice ride on the networkers.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah. Over 30 years or now.
I know, they're still running. Well, have a good day, yeah?
You two, could you do some tones as well?
Sorry?
Can you do some tones, please?
I can't hear. I'm at the station.
No, never mind.
Sorry, pal.
Yeah, at least you give me a thumbs up anyway. See you later. 465168 to finish off for the 1248 for Victoria. So that is a bit of train spotting Swanley. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Until then, please like, subscribe, and peace.